Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I know it's been a while since I filmed a video for you guys, and there's a lot of talking we need to do. No, really there isn't, and I'm honestly so happy to be back. It actually feels a little bit awkward to be sitting in front of the camera with my ring light and my hair and everything, just filming for you guys. This is actually round 3. I was gonna say 2, but it's the 3rd time that I'm filming this video for you guys. I was just so nervous the other 2 times. That's how long it's been. And I'm not proud of the amount of break time I took to be where I'm at today, but I felt that it was necessary, and it was only necessary to be where I'm at today, like I said, and I think everyone's entitled for their break time, so thank you. So basically in this video I'm going to be explaining like a little bit of why I took a break. I feel like it's very simple and very reasonable, so it's not going to be a huge explanation. I'm also going to be explaining my goals and aspirations with YouTube, as well as my life and school and all that fun stuff. And I'm going to be explaining for my new subscribers as well as my OG subscribers like what to expect on my channel, because this is going to feel like a season 2 of Lisaslayss, so I want to incorporate a lot of other things. That's all within the beauty realm, but things that I don't really film or talk about, so I'm really excited to explain all those things. So stay tuned and keep on watching. But wait, if you're not yet subscribed, click the subscribe button down below, and let's get right onto this video. Alright guys, so just a quick explanation as to why I took the long break that I did, which honestly there's no excuses, but the main reason why was because school. So I believe the last video I ever uploaded was back in September, and you know, I was just rolling with videos, and the last one ended up in September, and then I just went from downhill from there because I attended school. You have to learn to balance it. You know, you're not going to go to a 9-to-5 job and then come home and go to sleep. Like, Lord, I do that every day, okay? But it's, you want to work on your passions as well. And I was uninspired as well. So that's okay. You know, a lot of creators, whether it's on YouTube or television or anything, you know, they get uninspired sometimes as well. Even writers do, so it's completely normal, and I'm not beating myself up for it. I just wish it didn't take me this long. So I'm really excited. I really missed filming, and I also missed uploading and seeing comments and watching my subscriber count grow. So it's really amazing, and I can't wait to see my journey go from where it's at now to something even further. I'm so looking forward to what 2019 has in store for me, my channel, life itself, and for the people that I love around me. My channel is going to be a lot of fun for me to film because I have a lot of amazing ideas, and that just all correlates within the beauty community. So there's obviously going to be beauty and makeup tutorials. Valentine's Day is around the corner, so expect looks on that. I will be doing hair routines and hair tutorials. I also have like small little DIY projects I want to film for you guys. Fashion hauls are going to come, and just all around it's going to be a huge diverse channel, and I only want to grow from there, so stay tuned. I am trying to expand in every way possible, so challenges and pranks maybe, you know, I want to just have my channel be a diversity, but also when someone looks at my Instagram page as well as my YouTube channel, they'll just know, okay, she is trying to make it in the beauty community, and that is 100% real. I would love if you guys followed me on Instagram. That way you're up to date with all my YouTube videos. I hope you guys are as excited as I am about my channel and for like a season 2 of Lisaslayss. And thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys like this video, then give me a big thumbs up. And if you are new to my channel and not yet subscribed, then please subscribe down below, as well as hit the notifications bell. That way you won't miss any of my upcoming videos. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Yeah.